it's the second video of the Sonic vs. Everyone going. I like it so far. Yeah, so it's the second episode. Last one, yeah. You better watch it before the first one, because then you'll have no idea what this is. Basically, it's a series where Sonic and everyone secretly be on Smash Bros. Playing. Yeah. So, let's get straight to it. So, yeah. I'll need a black flash. So then you can see it quickly change, quickly, totally quick. So, yeah. And also, I'm fighting them all at once. So, yeah. So, yeah, let's get straight to it. Wait, let's get straight to it. Hey, your brother Mario was way too easy of a fight. I hope you win a better fight. Really, your brother must have not even been trying. Hey, he must have been trying a little bit. I mean, he has eaten a lot of pizza in his spare time, but I mean, like, yeah, he's still pretty good. So yeah, fight me, bro. I've already taken 42 damage to you. How do you feel? Well, I feel just like sad for you. I feel bad for you because you're not doing good. Hey, that is not nice. We both have tied damage, but I'm about to have less damage than you. I do, ha ha ha. Uh-oh, don't do that thing. Don't do that, ghostly. No. Well, you're better than your brother. Hey, yeah, I always knew that. Oh, it doesn't know that, because I am way better. Because he is just an Italian plumber that is technically looks like me. But I'm skinnier, and I'm wearing green. So, yeah. I am going to defeat you. Well, you're certainly doing better than Mario, I mean, must be none. Wait, really? I'm still gonna beat you though. Because I'm too cool. You're too slow. You're too slow. I'm going to beat you. Oh, no. I'm going to beat you. No, you weren't. I'm going. Because I beat that dragon more times than you can even count. What? Well, I've beaten a Bowser, which is much harder. Possibly, but I beat him like 10 times. I beat Dr. Eggman more than you can count. Why again? Yeah. Oh, I thought I had gotten you. This is really dramatic, but I will still beat you. No, you won't. It is a little bit dramatic, but you're not good enough to beat me. I thought I'd lost you. Oh no. I'm losing. No. This can't be happening. I'm gonna to your brother Mario, but if I lose, then I don't know what to say. I need to prove to the Mario universe they're not the best. You're not the best. You're not the best. You hear me? No. That's what you get. A little dramatic, Luigi. You nearly got me. But I am no ordinary head.